Welcome back to BrainBooster Nursing Hub. In this video, we'll learn about the functions of NANDA International in a simple and easy way. So, let's get started. NANDA International, NANDA-I, NANDA International, or NANDA-I was originally known as the North American Nursing Diagnosis Association. As the organization expanded globally, its official name was changed to NANDA International, or NANDA-I. Exam MCQ question. What is the new name of NANDA? A. National American Nursing Diagnosis Association. B. North American Nursing Development Association. C. NANDA International or NANDA-ID National Association of Nurses. The correct answer is C. NANDA International or NANDA-I. Functions of NANDA. Now, let's discuss the main functions of NANDA. NANDA develops standardized nursing diagnoses that are used by nurses around the world. It regularly updates and revises these diagnoses based on the latest research and evidence. NANDA also promotes evidence-based nursing practice and provides a common nursing language, making communication among healthcare professionals more effective. In addition, it supports nursing education by providing approved nursing diagnoses. It improves patient care through the accurate identification of patient problems. Finally, NANDA facilitates nursing documentation and record keeping, while also supporting nursing research by providing standardized nursing terminology. These are the main functions of NANDA International that every nursing student should know. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to BrainBooster Nursing Hub for more nursing lectures and MCQs. Thank you for watching.